Unlocking the power of Google Maps on your Galaxy Watch 7? Keep watching. Press the Map button to open Google Maps and view your current location. Pinch the screen to zoom out as needed for a broader view of the map. Tap on the screen to zoom in on specific areas or points of interest. Toggle your connection on phone to Wi-Fi or LTE for faster map loading and navigation. Search by entering the name of the place or city. And then click the search button to initiate the process. Select the navigation mode you prefer, walking, biking, or driving, and let the watch prepare your route. Press the lower button to exit the route screen and return to your map screen. Tap Cross and swipe left to back to the main screen. Tap Cross and swipe left to back to the main screen. Enable mirroring in settings to sync your map activity with your phone for seamless navigation. Subscribe for more helpful guides.